Welcome guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create an online clothing store with world-class website design. This comprehensive course is designed with two core elements in mind. Number 1. Functionality. We have drawn inspiration and features from the world's leading e-commerce websites like Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, Flipkart, and others, enabling you to build a fully functional, real-life e-commerce website. Number 2. Top-notch design. The course follows modern, trendy UI best practices, ensuring you can design like a professional UI designer. I guarantee you won't find a more complete course than this masterclass anywhere in this planet. Let's have a quick sneak peek at what we'll learn from this masterclass. You can sell any type of products: physical products, digital products, products with different colors and sizes, affiliate products, you can name it. We'll cover all the advanced techniques like people can add products into cart very easily, then their shipping cost and tax rate will be automatically calculated based on their location. You can provide discount or coupon codes so customers can get flat or percentage discounts. On checkout, people can pay using different payment methods like PayPal, cards, or even your local payment gateways. So people don't need to go to any third-party website, they can pay directly on your website. As we will handle payments, so our website should be 100% secure. But no worries, because I'll show you how to make your website super secure by adding a SSL certificate. Also, I'll make a real purchase so you can see everything is working perfectly. We're not finished yet. We'll control every inch of this website, from the cart page and the empty cart page when no products are added, to the checkout page and the My Account page. We'll cover everything step by step. We'll also design this beautiful online shop step by step. The good news is you don't need to write a single line of coding. Everything will be just drag and drop. So if you haven't made any website before, this tutorial will be perfect for you. We'll make this e-commerce website 100% responsive for tablet and mobile devices. Also, it's optimized best for SEO, so you'd get better rankings on Google search results. And if you're new to this YouTube channel, I want to let you know that we always recommend Kitninja.com for the most uniquely designed e-commerce templates. Even the website we'll be creating in this tutorial can be found on Kitninja. If you'd like to speed up your website creation instead of watching 2 hours tutorial, you can simply go to kitninja.com, grab a template kit, follow the 2-minute installation guide, and your website will be ready. But if you want to create everything from scratch and learn all the intricate details about WordPress, Woocommerce, and Elementor, please keep watching this full masterclass. So please pause the video for a moment, give it a big thumbs up, and comment below to let me know how excited you are. It would mean world to me. Now before we dive into creating everything step by step, let me quickly show you what we'll be building in this tutorial. So first, on our homepage, we'll add this professional header. On the top bar, we'll have a language option, an offer ticker, and some useful links. On the bottom, we'll have a logo, navigation menu, and necessary e-commerce options like search option, wishlist option, cart button, and notification button. With this search option, people can search anything, maybe a certain type of product. They can find it using this easily. Then with this wishlist button, they can go to the wishlist. And the cart button, which is the heart of an e-commerce website, this button opens a mini cart from the side, and when people add products to the cart, they can manage products from here. Like if they want to check out the products, they can do it. And of course, they can open the full cart by clicking on this View Cart button. Then I'm going to show you how to create this absolutely gorgeous banner that will attract your users to explore the whole website. Then we'll show some of our products in this area. By clicking on these filters, products from certain categories will be shown below. And also people can add these products into the cart directly by clicking on this Add to Cart button. Here's another promotional area designed really nicely. Like I said, we'll not only learn how to create e-commerce website, but the whole design process of a website. Then here's another product grid. We'll learn how to make this product slider with left and right controller arrows. And it also has a filter system. Then here we'll have a section. If you have any promotional or affiliate links, you can add those here. After that, we'll add another simple product section to show certain categories of products. Next, we'll have this beautiful testimonial section with a sliding option. Underneath, I'll also show you how to demonstrate blog posts inside the home page itself. And of course, I'll show you how to create blog posts on your website. And finally, on this homepage, we'll create an awesome footer with logo, footer menus, social media links, and copyright texts. After that, I'll show you how to build a professional shop page like this, and here people will get to see all the products we have on our website. And they can add products directly into the cart by clicking on Add to Cart. And below, here's the pagination, so they can go to the next page to see further products. Also from the left sidebar, they can search for any products, filtering by price range and categories. Now if you click on any product here, it will take you to that product details page. And we'll fully set up this product details page. Here you can see it has product name, description, product image, categories, and social share options. Also, it has different variations of products like different sizes, then it will have a product quantity selection option, and also this add to cart button. After that, the user will get to see the full description of the product, additional information, and product reviews. Finally, some related products will be suggested in this area. So we'll put all the informations and functionalities on our product details page. Then we can go to this cart page where you can see the cart in detail. From here you can remove any product from cart, edit the product quantity, also you can see the total price on the right side. Then finally, when a customer clicks on the checkout from the cart, we'll have a checkout page ready for them to complete their purchase. They'll enter their billing information. If they want it to be shipped on a different location, they can check this and fill up that address. Then under this payment methods, they can choose cash on delivery or they can enter their card information to pay. Then they can check their products and cost details like tax cost, discount, subtotal, total cost. And here, if they have a coupon code, they can add the code in this field and the price will be discounted automatically. Then after double checking all the information, customer can click on this place order button and their order will be placed and they can see a nice thank you page. We'll create a blog page separately for our website and we'll be able to post blogs here. People can see the list of all blogs here. I'll show you how to create blogs or articles on WordPress with featured image, title, publishing date, blog details, share option, all these. And people can leave comments or reply in the post. We'll have this awesome contact page. Here we'll create a contact form for users to contact you. Then this Google map, so you can add your business or office location. Also, we'll make other cool contact information like phone numbers, address, and email. And we'll also have this nice about page where you can write more details about your business with things like a video presentation, then your team members, all of these. After, we'll add some other pages like coming soon page and a simple error 404 page. Can you believe we'll learn and create all of this just from this single YouTube video? This is why we call it a masterclass. And like I said, I'll show you everything step by step. Now let me introduce you to myself. My name is Nishat. I'm a professional web developer. Even in the past, I have completed so many freelance WordPress projects for my clients. So basically, you're learning all the best methods and techniques from a real professional web developer. I'm really excited about this. And if you're excited too, please give this video a big thumbs up. That's the only thing I ask from you. Other than that, this video is completely free. Just have a look. If you like this video, you can find it easily later in your like videos on YouTube. We'll be creating this beautiful e-commerce website in easy 4 steps. First, I'll show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. I'll also provide you with a 78% discount link. Then, how to install WordPress. Then, how to install and set up Woocommerce plugin. Finally, we'll start designing our amazing online shop. Also, I'll be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump into the necessary part you need at any time. Now let's start with the step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address, like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, we have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. All the images, text you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload text or images, you can upload any themes or plugins you want. You are in charge of your own website. Now, how to get your own web hosting with a free domain name. So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com/best host. And this will take you to a special discount Hostinger page. So why Hostinger? In my opinion, Hostinger is the most affordable and also the fastest web hosting provider available. Just have a look into their Trustpilot reviews. People are super happy with their hosting speed, affordable pricing, and customer support. Now from here, you can change your language. If you speak Spanish, Portuguese, or Hindi, you can select any language from here. One thing I also want to say is that this page changes quite often. In fact, they probably change it once a month. So if the banner or interface looks different, don't worry, don't panic, this happens quite often. It's the same website. Let's scroll down a bit. You'll find all different plans. By the way, here we can see 3 plans, but sometimes you may see 4 plans here. But just don't panic, because you can create your website with any of these plans. But as you are starting out, I recommend taking this premium or business plan. With both of these plans, you can create up to 100 websites. For example, today you're creating a portfolio website, tomorrow you want to create a business website, and next week you want to create an e-commerce website, so you don't need to purchase hosting each time. So here, with this premium plan, you'll get 100 GB of SSD storage. With the business plan, you get 200 GB of NVMe storage, and with any of these plans, you'll get all the features like unlimited free SSL, so all of your website would be encrypted and super secure. Unlimited bandwidth, so there wouldn't be any limit how many website visitors you will have. Free email, you can create hundreds of professional email addresses like info@yourwebsite.com or admin@yourwebsite.com, like this. Then free domain. Yes, like I said, you'll get a domain name for free. You'll also get tons of WordPress features like free one-click WordPress installation, free website migration, so if you want to move your existing website from another hosting provider to Hostinger, they will transfer it on behalf of you. How cool is that? Now let's talk about the security. Personally, I'm very serious about website security, and Hostinger just nailed it with all of these features like Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanners, and all of these. I've had very bad experiences with other web hosting providers. We have got so many malware attacks, and we had to pay the hosting providers additionally to use their other security tools. But here in the Hostinger, you're getting all of these security tools for free. Now let's select a plan. Like I said, you can take any of this plan based on your needs. For now, I'm taking the premium plan. You can upgrade it later anytime, so click on Add to Cart. Alright, right here, you're going to see different options. Now this is referring how long do you want to host with Hostinger. So we have 1 month, 12 months, 14 months, and then we also have 48 months. First of all, I don't recommend going with the 1 month because it's almost $12 a month, which is super expensive and we don't want that. My recommendation would be go with 48 months. So for the 4 years, you just need to pay $2.99 per month. That will save you $432. And then after those 4 years, you start to pay $7.99 per month, which is still super affordable for a web hosting plan that can hold up to 100 websites. But if you just want to start with 2 years or 1 year, you can click over here. And then in your first year, you just have to pay $3.19 per month, and you're still going to create up to 100 websites. And after that, first year you start to pay $9.99 per month. So the longer the first period, the more discount you will get when you renew your plan. So if you have the budget and you want to get the most discount possible, you can go for the 48 months. And after those 48 months, you start pay around $7.99 per month instead of $9.99 per month. But wait, there is more. If you scroll down here you'll see have a coupon code. And if you fill with my special coupon code JFD10,
and then click on the apply. You will now get a total of 76% discount. Can you believe we are getting a super fast web hosting with the free domain name for the full year only for $34? What an amazing deal, right? So I scroll up again. Here you see pricing is only $2.87 a month for the first 12 months, $2.78 a month per the first 24 months, and $2.69 a month for first 48 months. Now let's scroll down. Put your email here. Make sure you use your best email address because they will create hosting account with this email address. And then let's put a very strong password here. Now you see you can pay with your credit card, PayPal or Google Pay, or you can even pay using your cryptocurrency. Also, you may see more different local payment options based on your country. So let's just skip this part and scroll down here. And in here, I'm just putting my card informations. Then let's just click on Submit Secure Payment. So from here, you can skip this part. From here, make sure you select WordPress from here. Now, let's click on the Select WordPress button. So here it says create login details for WordPress account. So in order to create an WordPress account, we need to put our email address and password. So my email address is already here, so I'm using this one. And let's put a strong password. I pasted my password, then let's click on the next. And now it says, what will your website look like? So right now we don't want any theme, so we'll just click on the skip. Here it says, do you want pre-selected plugins for your website? No, I don't want it. So let's click on here. No, I want to select plugins manually, and let's then click on the next. Also, we can just skip this. So in here, it's asking what's your website name. So basically it's referring to choose your domain name. So let's select a name for our site. Let's type JFD Toots. Once I typed in, you can see on the bottom, it's suggesting the domain with the extension like jfdtoots.in, jfdtoots.me, and jfdtoots.com and more. From here, you can choose any extension you like, but I recommend you to choose the .com because it sounds more professional and legit. So I'm gonna choose the .com and I'm just gonna click next. Here it says where is your target audience. You can just keep this default, which in my case they have selected a data center in the United States, the closest one they have to my country, but in your case it can be a different one. So you can just keep it default or change it from here, or you can just change it later on. So I'm just keeping it as it is and I'm just clicking on the next button. Now it's installing WordPress. We are almost there. Let's just wait a bit. And right now we're at the control panel of the hostinger. And from here, if we go into the home tab, you'll see in the account actions, it's saying we have sent a verification email to your Gmail account. So let's check our email. You'll find an email address in your inbox that's called verify your email address. Now from here, we'll just simply click on this verify email. Now it will take you back to the hostinger cPanel with the email address confirmed. Now from here, I want to get my WordPress. So from the premium web hosting here on this manage button, I'm just gonna click this. Now it will take us to the hostinger dashboard. Now from here, it says WordPress overview. Let's click that. And then under here, it says admin panel. Let's just click on here. And it will directly take us to the WordPress dashboard.
Alright, so right now, we are at our WordPress admin panel or the dashboard. And just from here, we control our whole website. By typing your domain name on address bar, then you have to add a slash, then just type wp-admin. Then you will be always in this dashboard. So in here, I'll make you familiar with every necessary option like post, media, pages, comment, appearance, plugins, and more. But before we go ahead, let's clean up our dashboard a bit. Right now, this is looking a bit messy with lots of unnecessary stuff. So we can just close it like this, or you can just click on this screen options. then deselect everything one by one like this, everything will be gone. So you necessarily don't have to clean up or close everything, but it's a good practice to keep your workplace clean. Personally, I always clean up unnecessary stuff like notification, pop-ups, and especially when I'm working on a new interface. It helps me to be comfortable with that new interface so I can just focus on the work without any distractions. Alright, so here we have more stuff to clean up, like if we click on this plugins, here you can see there is some plugins which came by default after installing the WordPress. By the way, if you are wondering what is plugin is an extra tool or extra add-on like thing, and it extends the functionalities for your WordPress website. Of course, we'll be needing some plugins for our website, but not these specific ones. So for now, I'm gonna select all of them like this. Then click on this bulk action, select deactive, click apply. After all being deactivated, I'm gonna select everything again. Then from the bulk action, select delete. Then apply, click OK. And now all the unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Alright, now let's do some other basic settings like changing your password or user informations. So we can click on this users. And under users, click profile. And here you'll see so many options, like you can change the admin color scheme. And it changed the whole color of the dashboard, but this doesn't matter that much because only we can see this as an admin, okay? Then let's scroll down, we have this language option. It has so many language options. You can choose your preferred language, but I'm gonna keep it site default, which is English. After, you can change your first name, then your last name, and also you can pick your nickname from here. And from here, this is the display name publicly as. From here, you can select any variation. I'm gonna select this one. So this variation will be shown as an author name if you create any post on your website, okay? After that, we have email address, then website address. I'm not gonna mess with these options right now, so let's scroll down, and here we have this password option. You can click on this set new password, and WordPress will suggest you a really strong password, but of course you can change it to your own password. I'm just gonna hide it and type my password. And here, although it's saying medium, but you can go ahead with this. Now click on this update profile. And now all the settings will be saved. We have just changed, okay? Alright, after that, we can hover over the settings. Then we can go to general. And here, this is our site title. You can change it to anything. You can put your store name. Like this. And here the site title will be instantly changed. After we have this tagline, in this tagline you can put something like fashion for every occasion. So this can actually help you rank on the search engines, okay? After we have these settings, then we have this membership option. So from here, I'm gonna turn on this membership. So on your website, anyone can register. After that, we have this time zone settings, date format, time format. You can just switch these according to your preference, right? Then let's save the changes. Now I'm gonna show you a really important settings, which is permalinks. Click on this permalinks under the settings. Here we have this permalink structure. So from here, all we gotta do is select this post name permalink structure. So what this will do, for example, on your website, someone is viewing a product. So on their web address, it will show something like your domain / that product name, okay? But instead of the post name, if you choose any other like plain or these, it will show some random characters or some bizarre numbers. So currently with this post name, your URL will look like this, exactly like this, but I'm gonna actually remove this / from the end. So it will look even better. It will look like this, okay? So make sure you keep it like this. And when you edit the permalink structure from here, it will be switched to the custom structure. So it's good. Now let's scroll down and save the changes. Now I think enough with these basic settings and all. Now it's time to see how our website is looking like. So all of these options, all the settings you are seeing, this is actually backend of our website or dashboard of our website. But if you want to see your front-end website, you can just hover over this site title, then click on this visit site. So I'm going to right click and open it on a new tab. So this is how our front-end website is looking right now. So if anyone puts your website domain name from anywhere in the world, they will first land on this page, which is your front-end website. Currently this is looking like this, but we can turn this page into anything we want. So I'm going to show you one of the way to change this front-end website. So let's go back to our dashboard here, then hover over this appearance, click on this themes. In the themes, we have some default themes like this is 2025, this is 2024, 2023. For example, if we activate this one, then go to our front-end website, refresh the page, this theme will be showing here. Alright, so basically we can use themes to change our front-end website's look. But using theme to make your front-end website is not the best way. The best way to design your website is using a page builder. With a powerful page builder like Elementor Page Builder, you can make anything, literally anything you can imagine. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using Elementor Pro version for this. With the Elementor free version, you can actually make any website you like, but with the Pro version, you can make super advanced website like e-commerce website, business websites super easily. Alright, so to get the Elementor free account, you can go to jimfahaddigital.com. I'll put this page's link in the description and you will be in this page. So if you scroll down a little bit from here, you'll find this important links. Under this, just click on this Get Elementor free version. So from here, we can just close this notification and click on this login. And here, if we don't have an account, we can click on this create an account. And from here, you can actually continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple account. And of course, you can click on this continue with your email. And in here, you have to just type your email address and then choose a strong password and just click on create my account. And we have to just solve some CAPTCHA to prove you are not a robot. Right from here, click on this let's go. And after logging in, you will be in this page, which means you are logged in on Elementor free account. Okay. Now let's go back to our dashboard. I mean WordPress dashboard. And now since we are using a powerful page builder to build our whole front-end website, we don't need to use any themes from here. But even if you're not using any theme, at least one theme will be still activated. But these themes are actually a little bit heavy. So I'm gonna click on this add new theme. And in the WordPress store, you'll find thousands of themes, but I'm gonna install a theme which is called Hello Elementor, which is this. We need to just install this and activate this. Now in our themes, this Hello Elementor theme is activated. The reason I'm installing this theme is really lightweight and doesn't have any unnecessary design stuff. So now if we go to our front-end website and refresh, we can see this is a really simple theme. And over this theme, we'll just build our own website with Elementor. Alright, so let's go back and delete all the other themes. So you can just click on this theme details, then just click delete and OK. I'm gonna do the same for this one as well. And final this one. Right, so all the themes has been deleted. Now that we have the Elementor free account, now we want the Elementor software as a plugin in our WordPress. So you can go to the plugins and from here, click on this add new plugin. And in the plugin store, we can search for any plugin. I'm just gonna search Elementor. And here we have the Elementor by Elementor.com. Just install it now and activate. And from here, we can just skip this onboarding, click on this close icon. And on our dashboard, some other pop-up has generated. We can just turn this off just from here, okay? Now in the plugins, we can see we have this Elementor installed as a plugin. Alright, so after installing the free version of the Elementor, now we'll be installing the Pro version of the Elementor. So just go to the JFD website, and from here this time, click on this Get Elementor Pro. And we'll be in the Elementor's official website again, but this time from here, scroll down, you'll see some plans here, starting from the Essential Website Builder to Expert Website Builder. And the most popular one is this Advanced Website Builder here. You can choose any of these plans from here for you, but I recommend choosing more advanced plans. Because with this essential website builder, we can see you can create one website and 89 free and pro widgets. But with this advanced solo website builder, we get to create one website, but we get all the pro widgets Elementor page builder has. And this one has more advanced features like custom code and CSS, then things like custom fonts and display conditions. These are really useful for e-commerce and functional websites. So you can choose this, or if you want to make more than one website, then you can choose this advanced website builder. So with this, you can create up to 3 websites, and it has all the functionalities and features the previous one has, okay? But let's say if you're a freelancer or an agency owner, I actually recommend to go with this expert website builder. So as a freelancer or an agency owner, you have to create multiple websites all the time. So with this plan, you can create up to 25 websites, and it's actually not that expensive compared to the other plans. So if you're an agency, you can take this, but right now I'm gonna go with this advanced website builder. And because of the Black Friday season, we're getting 20% off with this plan, and 10%, then 6% with these plans, okay? So actually from here, I'm gonna go with this plan because right now, I don't need to create more than 3 websites. So you can click on this buy now. Alright, so in here, this is saying that we are already signed in with this Elementor account. Then from here, just pull your billing info like first name, last name. I'm gonna put mine and all of these like address, city, all the information are optional. You can just fill these up or skip this. And now after reading all the summaries, just click continue from here. Then this field will come up. They can use any type of credit card like MasterCard, Visa, even you can use PayPal. So here you can just put your card address. Alright, so after successfully purchasing, you will be in the Elementor's dashboard. Now from here, all we gotta do is click on this download button on the top right here. Then click on this one. This is called Elementor Pro -Advanced and some ID. And you'll have a zip file which is called Elementor Pro, this version. Just keep it. Now let's go to our WordPress. And again, click on this add new plugin. And now instead of installing the plugin from the store here, you can click on this upload plugin. And in here, click choose file. And then choose the zip file we have just downloaded from the Elementor's dashboard. After selecting the file, click install now. And here our Elementor Pro version is successfully installed. From here, click on this activate plugin. And we can see we have this Elementor and Elementor Pro. So for the Elementor Pro, we have to connect and activate the account. So we can just click on this connect and activate. And if you are already logged in on your Elementor account, then this page will come up. From here, just click on this activate my license. And on the status, it will be active, okay? Now if we go to the plugin, our Elementor and Elementor Pro is fully ready to work. Now I cannot wait to show you the power of Elementor Page Builder. Alright, so to build our front-end website on our own, we have to create pages, right? Like a home page, about page, some pages. So let's go back here and now click on this pages. In the pages, we can see some default page like privacy policy and sample page. We can just get rid of these by clicking them. From the bulk action, select move to trash and apply. Alright, now from here, let's click on this add new page. Alright, so let's close this thing. Okay, so here we have to add a title for our page. So I'm making a home page. I'm gonna type home. After typing, just publish this page, click publish. Alright, now let's go back. Just click on this WordPress icon. And now in the pages, we can see this home page is created. Now if we click on this view, we can just view the home page from here. And the home page is currently looking like this. I know nothing is here. I know still nothing is here, but we'll do it step by step, okay? So this is our home page, but if we go to our front-end website and refresh, we can see instead of showing the home page, this is showing a random post. because WordPress by default shows blog posts in the default page, okay? But we don't want the post in the default page. If anyone just type this website address, they should see our homepage we'll be creating, okay? So let's do that. So to make this homepage a default page, we have to go to the settings and under this readings. And here you can see your homepage displays your latest post. So this is by default, but we can select this static page. Then under this homepage, select this home. Now scroll down and save the changes. Now if we go to the front end website and refresh, now this is showing the homepage as our default page. Alright, now let's go ahead and see how can we build a homepage. So go to the pages and click on this home. Then I'm gonna open this homepage in the Elementor page builder. So for that, just click on this edit with Elementor. And now we're in the Elementor page builder, which is the fun part. So here in the page builder, we can see on this right side, we have some default text and a simple footer. The same content, same thing we can see on our front end website, right? But actually we're gonna get rid of this default text. For that, just click on this gear icon, says page settings. Then from here, scroll down and under this page layout, just select Elementor canvas. And all the text will be gone from here. Now let's publish this, click on this publish. And now if we go to the front end website and refresh, we'll be left with an empty page. So that's good. Now let's come back here. So now I'm going to show you how to build things in the Elementor page builder. So first on this left side, we can see so many options here like heading, image, text, video, button. All of these are called Elementor elements or widgets. These are the basic building block for designing our website. Okay, so let's start with adding a basic structure by clicking on this plus. From here, select this flex box. And from this so many structure, I'm going to select this first one. And this basically adds a box. So by adding the box, you can control the layout or any design structure really easily. And also under this structure pop-up, we can see this container. So this box is basically called container. We added it here so we can see it in the structure, okay? If we just delete this from here, it will be deleted from here also, okay? Let's undo it, Ctrl Z. So now let's say you want to style this box a little bit. So you can just select this box and on the left panel here, all the settings for this item will be loaded, okay? And we have the basic things like width, min height. With this width, we can actually control the size of this box. So in order to do that, we have to actually select this full width under this content width. Then if we, for example, take this slider on the left side, as you can see, this width of this box is decreasing. Dragging it on the left, dragging it on the right makes it wider, and on the left makes it smaller, okay? And of course, you can put any specific value, like if we select this pixel from here, then type 600 pixel, this box will be 600 pixel wide. After that, we have this min height, which controls the height of this box, just like the width. And also you can put a specific value, like 450, okay? Now also we can add a color on this box. So we can switch to this style tab, and on this background option, we can click classic here. Then from the color, we can open a color picker like this. And with this, you can make the box any color you want by dragging the sliders and knobs, okay? So let's say I make this box something like a kind of orange color like this, okay? So this box will be orange color. Now let's go back to the layout and we can actually make this width a little bit wider, or we can select the percentage and select 100. So this will be 100% wide. Doesn't matter what is the screen size, this will be always 100% covering the screen, okay? Then in here we can add more elements. So from here we can click on this plus and all the widgets will come up. So here let's try this heading. We have to just drag this heading and put it inside this box, and this heading will be here. You can triple click the heading to change the text, or you can use this side panel to change the text. Just like this. Now let's say you want to color this text or change it to a different color. We have to just go to the Style tab, and we have so many options like alignment. With this we can make the text centered like this or on the right side like this. Alright, then we have this text color. So currently we can see in the color, this blue type of color is selected, but we can select any color we like. We can select black color, we can select white color. Alright, so I'm actually making this dark type of color, okay? Now after the color, we have this typography. If you open this, with the typography, you can change text font style, text font size, and many options. So in the font family, we can see we have so many fonts, almost every Google fonts we have. So from here, you can search for any font. I'm searching Poppins, one of my favorite fonts, and this will become Poppins font, okay? Then we have the size slider. With this, we can just control the size of this text, or we can, of course, put any specific value like this, okay? After that, we have this weight. With this weight, you can make the text thinner or bolder. Lower number makes it thinner, higher number makes it simply bolder, okay? Then we have this transform. With it, you can make it uppercase, you can make it lowercase or capitalized, okay? Then with the style, you can make it italic or normal. Then with the decoration, you can select it underline and all these options. After we have this line height. With the line height, you can actually put the line height on any text. It decides how much space a text line will take, okay? Then we have this letter spacing. With it, you can literally add space between each of the letters. And similarly with this word spacing, you can add space between words. So these are so cool, but I'm gonna make it all default like this. Alright, so let's close the typography. After, let's say you want to make this text divided into 2 lines. So we can go to the Advanced tab and we can use this width. Just click here and select Custom. Then with this custom width, if we make it maybe 75%, it will be divided into 2 lines. But one problem is, this is not being centered right now. So we can simply align this centered using this align self. Just select this centered and the text will be all centered, okay? Alright, after that, let's say I want to add more elements like this text editor. So you can add it right after this heading and it will be here. So basically the text editor is a text widget which is used for longer text like this, okay? So we can go to the Style tab and see every option is the same, okay? You can choose any color, you can choose any font style, any typography, font size. And with this text editor, you can actually understand this line height more. If we increase the line height like this, you see between the lines there is more space, okay? This is so simple. After that, let's close it. And we also can go to Advanced tab and make this paragraph center. So custom and around like this. You can decrease the overall width of this text so it will stay compact like this, and also we can make it centered. And here the whole thing is centered, but the text itself is not centered. For that, we can use this alignment center, okay? Perfect. Now we can add even more elements like a button. We can add it right after this. So it adds a simple button. So to change the button text, we can change the text here. Like you can say shop now. And we have this link option. In the link option, you can actually put any link. Like if you have a shop page in your website, you can link that shop page in this button. So by clicking this button, it will take the customers on the shop page. Okay, so currently we don't have the shop page in our website. I'm just gonna keep it hash, which is blank. Okay, now we can go to the Style tab and style the whole button. We have so many options like position. Then we also have the typography. Then we can increase the font size a little bit, maybe like this. All right, so we have this text color, which is this white. We can change it to anything. Then we have this background color, which is green. We can change it to maybe a nice color. Maybe black is looking good. And because this is black, so we have to make the text color a different color. What we can do is we can click on this color sampler and select this color. And the text color will be like this. How nice. After, I'm going to show you a cool trick. If we switch to this hover and then choose a background type, a background color to maybe white like this. Then on the text color, we can select black now. Now if we hover over this button, this color and the text color is being changed. How cool. So you can be creative and play with all these options. It's really fun. So currently I'm having the hover effect like this. Really cool. Alright, now here I feel like we have to put some space on the top here because this text is almost touching the ceiling here. So we can select this whole container, this container widget, go to the advanced tab, and we can use this padding option. Just unlink this padding, and on the top, if we add some value like 50, some space will be added here, and it is looking really nice. Alright, so these are the basic example how you can build a whole website using these blocks like this, okay? Now let's publish this whole page. And now let's go to our front-end website and refresh. And in our front-end website, we can see we are having these example texts that we have created in the Elementor page builder. So basically this is how it works. You create anything in the Elementor page builder and it uploads on this page, which is your official domain name page, okay? Alright, so this is how you can design your whole homepage or any page using Elementor Page Builder. But you see, to make a whole website design for an e-commerce website, it can take so many hours. But most of you who are watching this video are business persons. So I know the value of your time. So in this case, I have another option that can make your e-commerce website stand out without designing the pages step by step from scratch, which can take 4 to 5 hours to make. We'll use ready template from kitninja.com. So if you go to the JFD website and under the important links, if you click on this download IndiGlam Template Kit, you will be in this page under kitninja.com. So this is a fashion shop WooCommerce Elementor Template Kit. So if you just install the template kit on your WordPress, in few clicks, your WordPress website will be looking like this instantly. You don't need to do any designing from scratch. You need to just customize things according to your business. Like you can upload different images, you can customize text really easily. And since this template kit is made with Elementor Page Builder, so you will gain 100% control over this website design. You can just change, customize, modify anything you want from this website. If you click on this visit site, you can just experience the whole website live like this. So this is the website we're going to be making today, and we're going to use this Elementor template kit. And in here, as you can see, this whole e-commerce template kit is so much affordable, only $27. Then from here, if you scroll down, you will find all the documentations for this kit. But if you don't want to read any of this, you can just watch this 3 minutes installation video guide, follow this video, and this website will be yours in 3 minutes. Alright, so another thing, for the Black Friday season, there is really special discount is going on. They have a lifetime access on all the kits they have on the kitninja.com. So if we go to the kitninja.com, like click on this logo, they actually have 100 plus template kits for only e-commerce websites. One special thing about Kitninja is they don't just make website with seamless functionality, but their website design is top notch. As you can see here, they have so many template kits available here. And if you click on this more templates, it will load some more templates. And I love these templates because the design of these are world class. So currently they have like 30 plus template kits on their website. But if you scroll down more, you can see upcoming templates. In here, so many new templates yet to come. There are so many beautiful designs. I cannot wait for them to come. It has all type of categories of websites. So if you just want to grab their buy all package, eventually you will get 100 plus template kit. But because they don't have all the template kits uploaded right now, and with the Black Friday season, you are getting the all package for only $59. And also when Kitninja will upload all the template kits within like 1 or 2 months, you will get all those new templates for free. That's mean with the lifetime access, you're not only getting these themes, you're getting all the upcoming themes as well. So I think you should not miss this opportunity. Just grab the deal if you want to get all of these templates. Alright, so for now, let's go back to our template, which is, we can see if we scroll down, we have this IndiGlam Indian style clothing. So let's click on it. So we're gonna purchase this right now. Just click on this add to cart. Then open the cart from here and click checkout. And in here, put your email address. Then on the username, select one. Then check this terms and condition option. And after checking the summary here, click on buy now. Then here you'll see a pop-up that will summarize the whole price here. Then add your email address here, then select your country. Then just click on this continue. And for the payment method, it has PayPal option and of course card options. Just put your card informations and click on this pay now. And because I already bought this template, so I'm not gonna buy it again. So I'm just gonna close this. And after you complete the purchase, click on this user icon. And under my account, click on this downloads. And in the downloads, you'll see a download button on that file. Just click that download button and the file will be downloaded. And I don't have any products in the download because I already bought the buy all deal package. So if I just go to any template like this, here instead of showing the buy all, it will show a download button. I click it, the template will be instantly downloaded. So same for this template, I already have this in my package, so I just get this download button here, okay? If you purchase the buy all package, you can just go to any template kits from here and click on the download. But if you buy a single product or single template, you just have to go to the my account page, and from under the downloads, you have to download the specific file. It will be shown here, okay? So for this one, I have downloaded this, which is IndiGlam Template Kit. So just keep it in your folder. And now let's go back to our WordPress. Okay, so from here, click on this Elementor icon, then click on this exit to WordPress. Then go to dashboard. Alright, so now we're gonna install this premium theme in our website. Currently our front-end website is looking like this, but soon enough it will be looking like this. Alright, so to install the template kit, we have to follow a simple process, okay? So first, we have to reset our whole WordPress. So to do that, let's go to the plugins, then go to add new plugin, and in the search box, just search WP Reset. And you'll see this plugin, WP Reset by Web Factory Ltd. Just install this, and then activate this. And from the plugin, let's click on this, open WP Reset Tools. Close this pop-up, scroll down. You'll find this Site Reset option. In here, in order to reset, we have to type reset exactly like this here. Then click on this, Reset Site. Then click on this, Reset WordPress. Alright, so our site has been resetted. So after resetting the site, we'll erase everything from our WordPress. Like, we'll no longer have any posts, any images or videos, or any pages. In the pages, we can see we're again back to the default pages. Our home page is just gone. Then in the plugins, we can see every plugin is deactivated, but it's not actually deleted. So it's good because we have the Elementor and Elementor Pro already installed. So I'm just gonna select two of them like this. From the bulk action, select activate and apply. It will be activated now. And now again from the Elementor Pro, I'm just gonna quickly connect the Pro account, okay? Alright, so it's connected again. Now let's go to our themes under appearance. In the themes, again this 2025 is activated by default, but I'm gonna actually activate the Hello Elementor theme back. And this theme is activated, and this is the only theme we are having right now. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna do some Elementor settings. So on the left side, if you scroll down, under this Elementor, click on this settings. Then go to the advanced. Scroll down, you'll find unfiltered file uploads. Just make it enable, scroll down, save the changes. Now go to the features, scroll down, under this nested elements, select active. Then save the changes. Alright, so that's it for the settings. Now, under the Elementor, click on this Tools. Then click on this Import Export Kit. And from here, click on this Start Import. Now in this field, we have to select the file we have just downloaded from the Kitninja. So this is my file. I'm just gonna drag it and drop it here. Click on Continue. And from here, make sure you select every plugin from here. Make sure everything is checked like this. Then click on this Next. And from here, keep everything as it is. Finally, click on Import. Now the kit is being imported. The process of importing can take few minutes. And after waiting few minutes, our kit has been imported. But here we can see a warning. It says there are a few plugins that couldn't install. So this Themify WooCommerce product filter, this is not installed during the import. If the same happens to you, we can just manually install the plugin. No issues with that. So from here, just click on this Close. Alright, so after importing the kit, our whole dashboard is looking like this. If you notice on the left side, so many options has been added like this MC wishlist, WooCommerce, payments, and many things. And also if we go to the pages, we can see so many new pages has been added, like About page, Blocks page, Cart, Checkout, all of these. And also if we go to the plugins, we had the Elementor and Elementor Pro. Then this new WooCommerce plugin has been added. This is WooCommerce wishlist. And this plugin is installed, but it's not activated. So it's easier. We have to just click on this Activate. And it will just show its onboarding. So let's go back to the plugins. All right, after this plugin, we have this main WooCommerce plugin. So this is kind of the main plugin for our e-commerce website. After we have this WP reset, with it, we have just resetted our website. So right now we don't need this one. I'm gonna make it deactive. Then just delete this. Alright, so we have now all the necessary plugins we need to create our whole e-commerce website. And now let's see how our front-end website is looking like. So from here we can click Visit Site. And this is how our front-end website is looking right now. We have so many sections. All of them are stunning. And if you notice here, we have a header. On the header, we don't have any logo because I'll show you how to make a logo for your website and set it right here. And also every single thing is changeable. You can change any text, any images from here, any functionalities. Every single thing is under your control. But before starting to customize our whole website or front-end website, let's go to our dashboard and set up our e-commerce business. So first, we're gonna go to the Woocommerce, which is the main part of the e-commerce functionalities. So let's go here. Here we have so many things, but we're gonna skip this and go to the settings. And here we are under this general. And here we have some informations like address and other options. So first, if you have a physical store or physical business location, you can put that address in this field. So I'm gonna put an address like this. After that, we have city. In here, we can put city name. I'm gonna put San Diego because this is a city inside California. Then we have this country, state. You can select any countries and states from here. Just search here. In my case, I selected United States, California. Okay. Then put a zip code or postcode. So here, just put your zip code of your area. After that, we have the selling locations. So the selling location, we have a couple of options like sell to all countries except for one, then sell to specific countries. So if you want to sell your products to all countries, just select sell to all countries. Or if you want to sell to all countries, but you want to restrict some countries, you can select this. And on this option, you can just select those countries you want to restrict selling your products. But I'm not gonna select this. I'm gonna select none. And then from this option, I'm gonna select sell to specific countries. With this option, you can select in which countries you want to sell your products. So from here, I'm gonna search United States. After that, you can select more countries into this. So I'm gonna search India and add this here. So basically I'm selling my products to India and United States, okay? Then we have this shipping location. Inside we have options like shop to all countries you sell to, ship to all countries, then ship to specific countries only, then disable and shipping calculations. So I'm just gonna select this ship to all countries that I sell, okay? Then we have this enable taxes. So if you enable this option, you're enabling the tax rates and calculations on your products, okay? So this is a really important thing if you are selling your products online, okay? After that, we have this enable coupon. So if you enable this, you can actually make coupon codes for your products. So by using those coupon codes, customer can get discounts on products, okay? Then here we have this currency options. Under this currency, currently this is selected as US dollar or USD. From here, you can select any other currency. For example, if I search rupee, you can select Indian rupee or any other thing. Then all products price will be based on this currency you're selecting, okay? All right, so from here, let's scroll down and save the changes. And here you see, after enabling this tax option, this new tax tab has been added here. So we're gonna work on here, but before that, let's go to products. From here first, under this page, make sure you select this shop. Then if you scroll down, we have this measurements. First, we have weight unit. In the weight unit, since we're making a clothing online store, so I'm gonna just select this G, which is gram, okay? After we have this dimensions unit, from here you can select meter, centimeter, then inches. I'm gonna select inches, okay? Then we have this product reviews. Let's turn this on so customer can actually review the products they buy, okay? Then make sure you enable this, enable star rating on reviews, then star ratings should be required, not optional. All right, keep everything as it is, then save the changes. And now let's go to the tax. First option is prices entered with tax. We have two options here. One is yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax. And other one is no, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. So if you select this one, you're showing the price of the product included with tax. For example, if your product is $10 and the tax is $2, you're showing the product price $12. But if you select no, your product price will show only $10, which is the original price. It will not show the tax price with the product price. And of course, it will show the tax charges when the customer finally going to check out, okay? So I prefer this one. No, I'll enter prices exclusive of tax, okay? All right, after if we scroll down, we have this additional tax classes. So we have options like reduced rate, zero rate, but if you want, you can actually add one more, like custom rate. Now if you save the changes, on the top here, this custom rate we have created will be added. Now let's click on this custom rate. So in here, basically you can set rules for tax rates, because in different countries or different areas, tax rates on the products are different, right? If in United States, the tax rate is 4%, where the Indian tax rate will be 10 or 12%. So to make the tax rate precise and correct, we can add rules in this table, okay? So to add the rule, we have to just click on this insert row. Then we have to put a country code in here. So for India, the country code will be IN. Then we have this state code. So if in India, any state has different tax rates, you can put the code here. But I'm gonna select only India because I'm gonna add the tax rate for all over the country. All right, so select the code here and we have this rate. I'm gonna put 12% for India. So after typing 12, type dot and 0000, 4 zeros. So the value will be only 12, but I'm just putting all zeros to meet the 4 decimal digit, okay? Then on this tax name, just put tax like this. Then on the shipping, just uncheck this because on shipping, we don't want any tax. Now just save the changes. So we have just set the rule for Indian tax rate, okay? Now let's say you want to add correct tax rates for United States. For that, just click on this insert row and in here, put US for United States. Then we have to type a state code because United States has state-based tax rates. So to get the correct values or correct tax rates, we have to go to Google and search USA tax rates, and at the end type tax jar. And you'll find this link, state, click on it. And we'll have the whole map of US. In here we have all of these states like New York, California, Texas, and you can see every state has different tax rates. So this one has 2.9%, where this one has 6.25%. So from here we need this California one. So California has 7.25% tax rate, and the code for California is CA. So let's go back here and type the state code CA, and tax rate was 7.25. And at the end just add 2 more zeros to fill up this 4 decimals. And in here just type tax, uncheck this shipping, and save the changes. So we have just set correct tax rates for India and US California. Okay, so this is how you set up tax and tax rates. Alright, after that, let's go to payments. In the payments, we can see all of the payment methods available. Like we have this direct bank transfer, then options like cash on delivery. So from here, I'm going to actually turn on this cash on delivery. So customers will be able to pay with cash after receiving the delivery, okay? But here, the payment methods are not enough. We need more convenient payment methods for customers, right? Like we need PayPal and Stripe. So by default, we don't have the PayPal and Stripe option here. For that, we have to add those. So first, I'm going to go to plugins, then go to add new plugin and search Stripe. From here, install this one, payment plugins for Stripe Woocommerce. And this is by payment plugins. Install it. After that, search PayPal and install this one. This is by same company, payment plugins. And now go to plugins. From here, select these 2, new one, and from the bulk action, select activate. Apply. Alright, so we have these new plugins. Now let's go back to WooCommerce and under settings. And let's go to the payments now. And now we have so many options for payment, but we need to turn on just a few of them. First, we have turned this cash on delivery, it's good. Then make sure you turn on this credit cards, Stripe by payment plugins. So this is by default enabled. Then turn on this PayPal gateway by payment plugins. So we just need these 3 options. Now scroll down and save the changes. And after saving the changes, we have to actually set up the payment methods for PayPal and Stripe. So for that, let's click on this manage. So we'll be first under this Stripe settings. From here, click on this API settings first. So from here, you can connect to your Stripe account if you click on this connect. And here, just type your email address, log into your Stripe account, and it will be connected. But I'm going to show you a manual way to do that. We'll use publishable key and secret key. So first, let's go to the Stripe. So log into your Stripe account, and from the dashboard, if you scroll down on the left side, you'll find this developers. In here, switch to this API keys. Then first we have this publishable key. Just click and copy. And on this publishable key, just paste the code. Then go back to the Stripe. Then we have the secret key. Click reveal the key and also copy this and put the key in this secret key. Then if we click on this connection test, it will show an alert, and this is saying connection test to Stripe was successful. But the thing is, I was testing everything in test mode. First, in here my mode is test, and also in my Stripe the mode is on the test mode. But when you are finally doing the connection, make sure you select this live mode. And also from Stripe, make sure it is on live mode, okay? After making it live mode, just come back to your WooCommerce and click on connect to Stripe account. And all will be automatically done after you connect, and you'll be able to receive payments through Stripe, okay? So for now, I'm just keeping this in test mode. Alright, so just scroll down and save the changes. Now let's go back to our payments, click on payments. Now let's set up the PayPal option. Just click on this manage and again go to API settings. So first we have this environment. You can select to production or sandbox. Sandbox is for testing and production is for final connection, okay? So after selecting production, just click on this click to connect and simply log in into your PayPal account and it will be automatically connected and you'll be able to receive payments through PayPal. Alright, now let's go back to the payments here. So we have basically 3 payment methods: cash on delivery, PayPal, and credit card by Stripe. And this is enough for receiving payments from customers. Alright, so let's scroll down and go to this accounts and privacy. Here we have options like allow customers to check out without an account, enable guest checkout, which allows customer to check out without an account. So here this is actually recommended, so I'm just gonna keep it here. Then we have another option which is enable login during checkout. I'm actually also gonna check this. Then we have this account creation, which allows customers to create an account. So if you want to make it during the checkout, you can make it, but I'm gonna actually make it on my account page. So when your customers click on this login button or the sign up button, they'll have option to create a new account. Alright, so this is enough for the setup here. Now just scroll down and save the changes. After that, let's go to the site visibility. So in here, currently this is selected as coming soon. So currently our website is hidden from visitors behind a coming soon page. When a new user visits our site, they'll be able to just see this page, okay? But I'm gonna select this live. After selecting live, everyone is able to see our website by typing our URL. Now just save the changes. Right, after that, let's go to advanced. In here we have this pages option. So for the cart page, make sure you select the cart page. Although this is already selected cart, but make sure you check out everything is correct or not. Like checkout page has checkout selected, my account has my account selected, but we have this terms and conditions. If you have the terms and condition page, you can just select that, but as I'm not having one yet, I'm just not gonna select it right now. Now just scroll down and save the changes. So that was it for basic settings for WooCommerce. We have got the tax rates, we have got product settings, we have got payment methods. Now we're going to finally create our products for our online store. So if you scroll down, click on this products. In here we have so many products. Since we have imported the template, so we're having some post created already here. But of course I'm going to show you how to create a post from scratch. In fact, let's delete all of these products and start from scratch, okay? So I'm just gonna click on this to select all of them. From the bulk action, select move to trash and apply. All the products is deleted. Now currently in our website, there is no product, okay? If we just go to our shop page, like /shop, you see there is no product. Now let's go ahead and make our products. So first click on this add new product. And first we have to choose a name for the product. So I'm just gonna paste the name here. After that, this is the product description. In here we add the product's description, like all the features and details about the products. So you can just type the description here. And this field is also like a Google Doc. You can edit the text, like make it bold, make it italic, add some bullet points, all of this like this. So I'm just gonna paste my description here. This area is the product data. So first we have selected a simple product, okay? After here we have this regular price. In the regular price, basically we put the actual price of the product. For example, this is 2100, okay? This is 2100 rupees. Then we have the sale price. Sale price is the discounted price. If you put like sales price to 1900, this regular price will be grayed out and the sales price will be shown mainly, okay? So I'm not gonna keep a sales price here. I'm gonna remove. After from this text status, make it taxable. Then in the text class, we can select the text rate we have created, which is this custom. Alright, after we have this inventory, first here we have this SKU. In the SKU, we have to put a unique identification for the product. So for this product, what I'm going to do is scroll up, copy this name of the product, paste it here. Then I'm actually going to remove all this space. Then at the end, I'm going to put some random number like 01. So this gives the product an unique identification. Then we have the stock management. If we turn this on, it will keep the track of stock quantity for this product. So in the quantity option, if you make it 10, that's mean you have 10 products in the stock. And this quantity will be reduced automatically when people buy or purchase your product from the store. Okay. So I'm gonna keep this option here. Then we have the sold individually option. If you turn this on, customers can buy one item per order. That means they cannot purchase multiple items at once. Okay. Then we got this shipping. In the shipping, we have weight, dimensions. So in here, you can put the weight of the product. Then you can set up the dimension, the length, width, height, everything. After that, we have linked products. In here, we get two options, upsells and cross sales. So in here, you can select individual products. Currently, we don't have any products, so I cannot select. But the upsell products are the products you recommend instead of showing this viewed product. Which means if customer comes to buy this product, instead of showing this product, you show the recommended product first. Okay. Then we have this cross sales. So cross sales are the products which you promote in the cart page or in the cart. For example, someone is buying a shoe and alongside the shoes, you're recommending socks. Okay, so that is the cross sales. So currently we don't have any products, so I'm not going to selecting yet. All right, so after that, we have this attributes. Attribute is really useful thing. With the attribute, you can create different variations of the product. So for example, you have products of multiple variations, like a product can have different sizes, different colors. So you can create different color values or size values using the attributes. Okay. So first here, we have to choose a name for the attribute. I'm going to select color first. So under the color, for example, I have a red color of cloth. Then after typing the red, I want a blue. I type blue, but it won't work. So in between these colors, I have to put this vertical bar. Okay. Then after blue, maybe I add one more green. And now let's save the attribute. So basically we're having three attributes under this color, red, blue, green. Okay. So I'm saving the attributes for now. I'm going to use it later because this is the simple product. If it was the variable product, then we will be able to create the variations. Okay. For now, I'm just keeping this color attribute here. All right. After that, if you go to advanced, you can leave a purchase note. Like after purchasing the product, customer will receive a custom note. You can leave it here. Also, we have these other Stripe settings, PayPal settings. We don't need these right now, so I'm gonna leave it. Okay. So after this area, let's scroll down. Then we have this product short description. In the short description, you put basically the short description of the product. So you can add 1 or 2 line of description that shows with product title. Okay. All right, let's scroll down and now focus on this right side. First, we have this publish option. You can save the product to draft. Then we have this visibility. You can make it public, private, or even a password protected. All right. So if you scroll down, we have this product image. You can set an image or a thumbnail for this product. So just click on this. And from the media library, you get to choose any image. Okay. So for this one, let's select this and click set product image. Then let's scroll down and we'll have this product categories. So in the categories, you can see so many categories are created already because we imported the template. So from here, you also add new categories by clicking here. Just add a category like classic and click add new category. And it will be added to this list and you can just select like this. So basically this product comes under this classic category. Okay. And if you scroll down, you will find this product tags. In the tags you can type anything related to product. So now let's scroll down and save or publish this product. The product is published. Now if we go to our front-end website and let's go to our shop. So here we are having one product in our shop. So if we open the product, let's click on this title. So it takes us to the single product here. In here we can see the product title, product price, then a add to cart button, and also we can see the stock. So currently 10 products are inside the stock, okay? Then we can see the SKU here, we can see the category, which is classic, then some tags, and this is the short description. All right, and we also have other share options like social media links. Then if you scroll down, we'll see this product description where you put the whole description of the product. Then if we switch to this product information, under this information, we can see this color, the attribute. Then on the review, customer will have an option to star rate this product and leave a review, okay? So if I just type anything and submit, you can see the review will be added here, okay? After that, we have this more products. Once we add more products, it will be suggesting here, okay? All right, so this is how you can create a simple product, okay? Now let's go ahead and see how to create more type of products. So from here, I'm gonna click on this products and click add new product. In here, let's add a new name. Then here, let's add a product description. Now from this product data, let's select this variable product. This is a different type of product. So from here, just click on this, got it. And immediately you can notice there is no pricing option. You cannot put the price anywhere here. So I'll show you how to do that, but before that, let's set up the basic things like make it taxable, then select the custom rate, go to the inventory if you want to put a stock management, and also let's put a SKU. So I'm just gonna copy and paste the product name, remove the space and type some numbers. All right, so let's move ahead to this attributes. So in the attributes, we already created the color, right? So we can add that color attribute in this product. So in here, let's now add the attributes. So before we have created the color, so for this product as well, I'm gonna create color. And on the values, red, vertical bar, blue, and green, okay? Save the attributes. Now let's go to the variation, this new option. So here you'll see two options. One is generate variations, one is add manually. Just click on this generate variations and click OK. And it will generate 3 variations, red, blue, and green, okay? So if you open one of them from here, you can see you can actually put different options like price, different thumbnail for the product. Everything is individual, okay? So for example, for this red product, I select a different thumbnail. Maybe this one, maybe this one. Then for this price, I'm gonna put 3,000. Now this is for the red. Let's close this red and open this blue. And for the blue one, let's select different image. Let's select this. You can also put different price for different product. I mean different variation. So for the blue color, let's make it 500 more. All right, then let's close this and open the green. And for this one, maybe select this and put the price. All right, so basically all the option is different for different variations, okay? So let's now close everything and save the changes. And now a little bit work on this right side. Let's add a universal product image or thumbnail. We can select this. And for the category, we can create or select from existing ones like these, okay? You can also select multiple categories at once. All right, now some tags, we can click on this, choose from the most used tags. So I'm gonna select it like this. All right, now scroll up and publish the product. Now if we go to the shop page and we can see this new product is added. So after adding the variation, you can see the design of the product has been changed. Like instead of saying add to cart, it's saying select options. Then on the price is also saying from 3,000 to 3,500. So everything is different because of the variations. So let's select these options. And here also we're having new options like red, blue, green, this variation. If we click on this red variation image will be shown. If we click blue one will be shown, and green one will show green one. Okay. And if you clear, it will just show the default thumbnail of the product. Okay. And everything else is the same. And also here in the more products, as you can see, this is showing another product from our shop. And once we add more products here, it will show more products in a row nicely like this. Okay. Now let's go back to our dashboard and let's go to the products. Alright, so after creating 2 products, I'm going to create a new type of product, which is affiliate product. So let's add new product, add a name, this, and let's add a product description, this. And now from the product data, I'm going to select this external or affiliate product. So basically with the affiliate product, you can show any external product. For example, there's a product in the Amazon or AliExpress, and you have the affiliate link of that product, and you can show that product in your shop to earn some commission from that website like Amazon or AliExpress. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so in Amazon, let's say I have affiliate link of this product. Alright, so let's go to R1, and on this product URL, I have to put that link. Okay, and this is the button text. Like on that product button, what it will say. Currently this is saying buy product. You can just change it to like buy from Amazon like this, or buy from AliExpress like this. Okay, so I'm actually gonna keep only buy product. And on the price, you can put the price. So in rupees, I'm gonna make it 7,000. And we don't necessarily have to set up this tax or tax classes, because we're not gonna charge any tax from this product, because by clicking on the buy button, this will take your customers to this direct original Amazon page. From here, they can just simply purchase the product and you will earn some commission for that. Alright, so after that, we have this inventory. You can put inventory and SKUs. Then this is linked product. We can actually search for our product. For example, I select this. So this product will work as a upsells. Okay. After that, let's add the short description. Now let's work on here, first product image. So from here you can select any of them, but if you are selling external products, you can just get the image right from here. So I'm gonna save the same image. And let's add this into our media library. And select this. Alright, after that, we can add some categories. Like this, some tags. Alright, now let's finally publish this. Now let's go to our shop, and we got one more product. And here you see, as soon as you click on this buy product, it's taking us direct to the Amazon. But if they click on the title, it will take them to the product details page, where they can read the product details if they want. Then they can see everything here. But when they click on this buy product, it will take them to the Amazon. Alright. Alright, so this was the affiliate product. And now I'm going to show you one last type of product, which is virtual product. Let's click add new. Now let's say on your shop you want to sell a book or magazine about fashion, and you want to sell the book as an ebook. Okay, so let's add the name here. And let's add a product description. This, and let's scroll down, and here in the data, just keep it simple product, but select or check this virtual. And after checking this virtual, as you see, this shipping option is gone, because with a virtual product, you don't need to ship. And alongside the virtual, I'm gonna also check this downloadable, because we are selling a ebook, right? So ebook should be downloadable. Alright, so let's set a price for this. I'm gonna make it 1200. And here we have all the options to attach the ebook file. So let's say I have this PDF file, and in this PDF file I have the whole magazine written. Okay, And now I have to upload this PDF somehow here. So we can just click on this add file, and you can add a name. Let's make it this. And either you can put a URL of that file, like if you upload your file to Google Drive or any other hosting platform and link this product here, it will work. Or you can just click on this choose file and select any file from your media library. So now I have to upload this PDF into our media library. Alright, so it's uploaded. So let's click on this insert file URL. So it will be selected like this. Alright, so after we have this download limit option. So here you can set the download limit. Like if you set it 10, so if anyone purchases this product, they won't be able to download this ebook more than 10 times. So I don't want to keep it limited. I'm just gonna keep it unlimited. Then we have this option download expiry. You can set the download expiry date or something, but I'm not gonna keep an expiry. The file shouldn't be expired, okay? So here on this text status, make it textable, and the text class, let's make it custom rate because this is our own product, right? We want the text from here. After that, we have this inventory. You can put the SKU here, then some link products. So I don't want anything from here. I'm just gonna work on this right side now. First, let's set the product image. So for this magazine, I got this cover, book cover, and set the product image. All right, now let's add some tags here. We can add like ebook, add everything you want. Then let's choose a category, or we can actually make a category for ebook. All right, now let's just publish our product, our virtual product. Go to the shop, refresh, and it's just added here. Let's click on it. So everything is here, but I'm gonna show you after anyone purchases this product how to download that product. It is really easy, but I'm gonna show you the whole checkout and purchase process. So first, let's say anyone comes to this shop and they add a product into the cart like this. The product will be added on the cart. They can just click on this and they can see the cart. They can manage the cart from here. Also, let's add more product like this one, add to cart. And in order to add this product into cart, we have to go to this product details, and in here, let's select a variation, select a quantity, then add to cart. And you cannot actually add this product into cart because this is an affiliate product. By clicking it, it's going to take you to the Amazon. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out these 3 products we have. So from here, you can manage the cart, you can delete any products from here, and also you can click on this view cart, and you can see the full cart list here. So here you can see the cart totals, how much total price you have to pay. Then if you scroll down, you will also get the coupon code option here. If you put the coupon code, so the code was JFD20, and apply the coupon, you'll see this amount will be minused with this coupon code, okay? And if you want, you can also remove this coupon. It will be removed from here. And finally, after checking everything, you can just click on this, proceed to checkout. And this is our checkout page. On the left side here, we have to put all the billing details like first name, last name, and the company name, which is optional, then country, then a street address. All of these are required. All the required ones has this red star, okay? And here their order will be placed, and it will show a order details page, so they can see all the details here. And also on the downloads, they can just download the ebook file of that magazine product, okay? Just click on this book title here, and it will be downloaded. Okay, so this is working perfectly. As you can see, our e-commerce website is already up and running. Now we just have to perfection our whole website, like customize the home page, about page, and other pages according to us. Then customizing the menu links here, like we don't have any product or shop page link. Like we just have to perfection our whole e-commerce website, right? Alright, so let's go ahead in the dashboard. Alright, so actually I'm gonna go to products. Now I'm gonna add more products quickly because with only 4 products, our shop will not look fulfilled. So I'm gonna quickly do it. Alright, so I have added all the products, and now let's go to our shop. And every product in our shop is added here, okay? Looking really nice. But here you can see there should be a filter area where you can filter and search for products. So we'll fix everything. So let's start with our home page. Go to our home page, and from the top bar here, click on this Edit with Elementor. So first on the home page, we have this header, right? So in the header, we have to select our logo for this. So because this header is not made inside this home page, as you can see, you cannot edit this like this. This header is actually made outside using Elementor's template builder. So to edit this header, you gotta click on this header, and from here, save it. Now here you can see only the header will be editable, and the rest of the element like banner and all the section is not editable right now because we are in the header edit mode, okay? So first we have this logo, let's click on it. This is nothing but the site logo widget. From here we can change the logo, and from here we can choose the image. If you scroll down in the media, you'll find this IndiGlam logo.png. Select this and save the changes. And just click on this cross to close this panel. And our logo has been updated. Alright, so here everything you're seeing on the header, every single thing is customizable. You can just click on the text and the widget will come up. This is icon list. And if you want to change this text from here, click on this and change the text from here. And this is an icon. You can change the icon from icon library, okay? So only this text is made like this, but if we click on this one, this is a simple heading text. So if you want to change it, change the text, just change it from here, okay? Like you can type anything in here. Alright, after that we have these. These are also made by the icon list. So it has multiple links like login, sign up, and others. So in here you can see that items. This is login. So currently in the login there is no page or any link. So by clicking on the login, nothing really happens. So I just want to link this login page into our My Account page. So from the link here, if we search My Account, and it will come up, just select this, and our login button will be linked to this My Account. So when people will click on this login button, it will take them directly to the My Account. And in the My Account, there will be a login system, okay? And it's automatic. You don't even have to worry about that. I'll just show you the demo later. Alright, so after the login, we have the sign up. So for the sign up as well, I'm going to select My Account page. So here in the two links, one is find stories and services. If you have any other services on other platform, you can just link the page in here. If you don't want this, you can just delete this link by clicking here. And this link also, you can put any Google Map address if you have a physical store. So if you want to use these links, you can keep it, or if you like to delete these, you can actually delete them. But these can be useful and looks good here, okay? So after that, we have this one. This is called WordPress menu. And this is one of the most important thing in the website. With this, people can navigate through pages. They can go to home, they can go to about us, they can go to cart, blogs, everything. And of course, I'll show you how to create these menus from the WordPress dashboard, like how to create home link, about us link, and how to add more links into this. But this widget, WordPress dashboard, basically stylizes these menus. So in the Elementor page builder, you can only style or design these links, not create these links, okay? So we have so many options here. Like you can choose the alignment here, you can choose horizontal or vertical, or you can choose this drop down from the beginning. So by clicking on here, a panel will come up like this. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep it horizontal for desktop screens. But for the mobile screens, you can see this is automatically changed to this drop down option. Like it has a hamburger menu. By clicking on that, all the menus come up, okay? So this is the best way to show the navigation menu in the mobile mode. Alright, so let's go back to the desktop mode. Alright, so we have any other options, like you can change the hamburger icon for the mobile mode, everything. And also we got this style tab. In here we have some basic things like typography. With that you can control the text style here. Then the text color here, you can change the text color. Then space between the items, like if we increase the horizontal padding, you see it increases space between items. So 10 pixel is perfect. Right, so you can just explore all of these customization and styling. Okay. All right, after that we have the search option. So the search option is basically made with search form widget. This is a pro widget from Elementor. And also here we have so many customization options, like under the skin you can choose classic, minimal, then full screen, all of them. So classic is looking good for this. Then you can play with all of these options. Then go to the style tab. We have so many options you can play with. Okay, but one important thing, so with the search option, people can search anything in your website, right? Like if we go to our front-end website and here try to search anything, like people can search any product. And here you can see this is search results for this text, and the results are showing like this. Okay, if you notice carefully, these are all blogs. These are not actual products showing on the result. But we need to show actual products on the search, okay? Not these blogs like this. Like if you click any of them from here, it is just checking you to that blog post, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can show products on the product search. I'm going to show you a bit later, because let's not ruin the flow and finish our header and homepage customization. Okay. Alright, so here this is the search result. After that we have, you can notice here we have another search widget. This is search form widget, and this is also search form widget. So basically this one is for the desktop mode and this one is for the mobile mode. As you can see, for the mobile mode, if I turn this on, there is a search option that only has the icon. It no longer has the input, right? So we had to make it differently for the mobile mode. So in the desktop mode, the second form is hidden and this first form is shown. But on the mobile mode, this one is shown and this one is hidden. Okay, so we don't need to worry about this. It's properly functional. Alright, so after that we have these icons like product wish list, menu cart icon, then finally this icon, notification icon. So all of these icon has different functionalities. Like by clicking on this product wish list, like here, people can go to their my account and under my wish list. And here all the product will show that they added to the wish list. Okay. After you already know the cart button, it shows the cart and this notification one. Right. So let's go back. Right. So this is the header. You can customize it on your own. Okay. After that, let's go back to our home pages other section. Okay. So we just need to click on this edit page, click save and click save. And before leaving the header, let's click save. And we're basically exiting from the header and entering to our other sections. So if you can notice here, it says global header. Soon it will be changed to home. You see? So when we are in the home, we can edit all of these sections now. Alright, so basically here, every single thing is customizable. Just click on the text and you can triple click and change directly from here, or you can just use the side panel to change the text. Then we have this paragraph type of text. You can change it from here. You can style this text, maybe make it bigger or change the color. Then we have this simple button here. This button says shop the collection. You can change the text, you can change the button color, and also you can change the button link. So in the link, currently there is no pages selected. So from here, I'm just going to search shop and our shop page will show up here, select. So by clicking on this button, your customer can get on the shop page. Okay. Then we have this video button. By clicking on this button, user will be able to see a video like this. A video pop-up will come up and it will be played. You can put the video link from anywhere like YouTube, Google Drive, from any hosting services. And I'll show you how to change the video link. Just click on it. This is a simple button. And we have this light box. Click it. Then on this video URL, just change the link. Okay. After we have these elements, like these are count ups. So when the website first loads, Like I'm going to show you in the front end website, like refresh the page, and when anyone goes here, it will start to count up 0 from a certain number. Okay, so you can make it like this. These are made with counter widget. So here's the starting number 0, and here's the ending number 360, and this is the suffix number, which is this K. You can change it to anything like plus, %. You can just type anything. Okay, after we have this title option, you can change the title here with this. Okay, so here everything is same concept. All right, so these are the widgets. Now let's go to the right side, and on the right side mostly there are images. So if we click on this image, any image, these are made with just simple image widget. If you want to change the image, just click on here. The media library will come up. You can just select any of them from here, and it will be changed here. Okay, the same thing goes for this one, and every other images. Okay, now let's scroll down and see what else we got. So we have this section. This is basically showing some products in a tab. So we have tabs like area, classic, ebook, export, all of these. And here, some of the products are being shown from our shop page, right? So as you can see, this products has its own categories or tags, like this traditional, it has the silk, it has this export. All right, after that, we have this section. This is really simple section. If you click on any image, and this is made with simple image, you can just change the image from here, like you changed it to anything, it will appear here. Very simple. Okay, after you can change these titles. These are really simple heading widgets. Right, after that we have this section. This is another product showcasing section. So first, if you click on here, you'll find this loop carousel, and most importantly, this is a tab system product showcase. So if you click on this new arrival, only new arrival product will be shown. You can select this bestseller, only the bestseller product will be shown here. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so if you select these tabs, under this tab, if you see, we have 3 tabs, 1, 2, 3, and also we have this 3 tab buttons, 1, 2, 3, right? So in the first tab, if we open this, we have this loop carousel. Loop carousel is basically this one, which slides the products like this. Inside this loop carousel, for this new arrival tab, first in this choose a template, we have to select a template, which is new arrival product loop. This, just select this, and the all product will be shown here. After that, scroll down, open this query. Inside the query, we have to select this product tag, which is new arrival. Okay, so every post is under new arrival has this tag new arrival. That's why it is showing. All right, and same goes for the bestseller. Like if we open tab 2 now, this tab 2, inside the tab 2 we have this loop carousel, which is for this bestseller product. Scroll down in the query, and you can see under the tag it is bestseller. So these products is having bestseller tag. Okay, so same concept is for the festive pick. Okay, for example, from here, instead of the bestseller, I delete this tag. I search for classic and select this product categories classic, and here only the product will be shown that has classic in their tag or classic in their categories. Okay, that's mean you can select product by categories or tag. So right now I selected products by categories. Okay, so let's get back to the bestseller, which is a tag, and by selecting, all of the products with bestseller tag will be shown. Okay, so that's just it, and otherwise these are really simple ones. You can change these by one click. Use media library, and it will be changed. Okay, after that, let's scroll down. So we have also this section. This is actually a affiliate type of section. So with these links, individual links like these product names, you can put your affiliate link if you have affiliate program on any other website. You just have to put the link in here, and by clicking on this link, it will take the customer to your affiliate link. Okay, so this section can be useful if you have the affiliate links, but if you don't have, you can just delete this section by clicking here. Okay, but since it looks good, I'm just keeping this section. Okay, after that we have this section. This is another product showcasing section. If you select this, this is a basic loop grid widget. With this, you can show some products. Like first you have to choose these products under this choose template. Then under this choose a template, you have to choose this product loop. Just search here product loop and select. It will be like this, okay? And if you go to the query here, you can show latest product, you can show featured product, you can show sale product, everything, okay? After that, we have this nice testimonials. Here, you basically show the customer reviews on your homepage. So the customer feedback can really help to build trust for your online shop. So you can change anything here. You can change the customer name here, customer feedback here. Just select this. This is a simple text editor. Change the feedback here. And also if you want, you can select this icon and change the star rating icon from here. Just click on this icon library and choose any icon you want from here, okay? Or you can click on this upload SVG and you will find this nice icons here, okay? After that, we have this section. This is called Inspire Your Style. These all are blogs, okay? So basically you can show blogs on your homepage like this. If you select this widget, this is also loop grid. In the loop grid, we are basically showing these posts. As you can see, you cannot edit the post in here. You can just showcase nicely all the created posts. So just select post from here and under this choose a template, search blog post grid and just select this one and all the blogs will be loaded. Otherwise, if I delete this template from here, it will be just looking like this. But let's search blog post grid and select this. All the blogs will be here. And also one thing, instead of the post, if you select the product here, it will start to show the products, okay? But make sure you choose this post. Okay, so, and of course, I'll show you how to create blog post for your website in a few moments, okay? So let's scroll down and we have this nice input here. So this is an email input. Customers can put their email address and subscribe to you. So this is created by this form. If you scroll down here, if you open this additional settings, if you scroll down here, if you open this email option, here you can decide after user sends anything and subscribes, where that email goes. So currently, my email address is put in here. So if anyone sends you anything, any email, it will be sent to your email address, okay? So this is really useful. All right, so after that, if you scroll down, we have this refer and earn section. So if you have an refer reward system on your website, you can just keep this section. And also this section comes under this footer, which is also made outside of this homepage, exactly like header. This header is also made outside of this homepage and footer is also made outside, okay? So let's quickly go to our footer. Just click on this footer and save homepage first. All right, so we are in our footer section and now you can see we can customize every single thing. So first, these are really common things like icon box. If you want to change it, change the text or icon, you can select the icon box. Then here's the text, refer and earn this text. And here's the icon. You can use icon library or you can upload your own SVG icon, okay? And of course, you can change the description for this, okay? After that, we have this simple button. And also we have this background under this section, right? So if you select this refer and earn section, go to the style tab and here you'll be able to change the background for this section, okay? For example, I select any other one, like this is selected this, but I select this and it will just change the background image. And also if you don't want the background image, you can just delete this from here and instead you can add background color by using this color picker like this, okay? So let me bring back the background image, the original one. All right, so keep it like this. After we have this footer. So in the footer, every single thing is easily customizable. Click on anything like this logo image. You can change the image or logo from here. Then this text. Then also we have this email input. You can do any settings, any styling on the text here. Then we have this social media links. If you click on this, this is made with icon list. So if you want to put any of your social media links, you can just open the item like this and the link, paste your Facebook account link or Twitter account link or LinkedIn ID, okay? After that, on the right side, we have these links. So this is simple heading, you can change it. Then these are actually WordPress menus. So I'll show you how to create menus for your footer. First, I'm going to show you how to create menus for your header. Then I'm going to show you how to create menus for your footers like these. Okay. And also with this WordPress menu, you can customize this link presentation here. Okay. So everything is simple. After that, we have this copyright text. This is made by Simple Text Editor. You can change it according to your preferences. Finally, we have these links. These are made by Simple Icon List. If you have these pages like licenses, privacy terms, you can link the pages into here. Okay. Just search the page name in the link and the page will be here. Okay. But I don't have the pages for this license, privacy and all, so I'm not gonna select it. Alright, so this was the footer. And one thing, as you customize through your website, make sure you publish your website often. Because if you mistakenly close your website or close your browser, every changes you made can be gone. Okay, so make sure you publish your website often. Alright, now let's go ahead and see our other pages like About Us, Blogs, Cart, and other necessary pages. Okay, so let's click on this Elementor's icon and exit to WordPress. And here's all our pages. Now let's click on this About Us, Edit with Elementor. Alright, so this is our About Us page. We have so many nice sections here and everything is literally customizable. And first we have this heading. This heading is a bit functional, so I'll show you how it works. So this is a simple heading, but on this title, as you can see, this paste title option is selected. If I delete this, you can write your any text, okay? But instead that, I click on this dynamic tags. Then from here, if you scroll down, under the site, select this page title. After selecting, it will automatically detect the page name, which is About Us, and show here, okay? And also here, you have to manually change the page name About Us, or you can just select this page title here, okay? And of course, you can change the banner by selecting this container, and in the style tab, it has the background, okay? After that, we have this section, who we are. Here, everything is really common elements, heading and text editors, and this one is icon box. So if you want to change the icon, you can use this. Like from the media library, you can choose any icon from here. It will be changed instantly. And also you can change the title here, the description here, everything. And on the right side, these are really common images widget. So you can change the image as well. After that, we have the same section on the home page. You can link the affiliate link if you want. Then this is also the same section. You can change the images. Also, this is the video presentation section. So if you click on this section, you can change the background image. Then we have this video button, which is this icon. And simply under this icon link, you can select the slide box. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's say there was nothing before. You just have to click on this dynamic tags. And if you scroll down, you'll find the slide box. Then click on the slide box settings. Then on the type, select video. And on this video URL, just put your link. Okay. Really easy. After that, we have this section. This is saying basically free shipping, 24/7 support, money return, order discount. All of these are changeable. These are basically showing some features of your e-commerce website. Alright, so after that, we have this testimonial section again. So we are putting the testimonial section again and again because we want the customer to notice these real feedbacks from users. Okay, so it builds more trust. Alright, after that, we have this section. So with this section, you can actually show your team members. You know, sometimes people want to see what's going on behind the show, right? So you can put your team members' image, you can put their name here, their role here. Everything is easy, right? After that, we have this footer again, right? So this was our About Us section, and it is nice. Now let's go back. And now let's open this blogs page, edit with Elementor. So for the blogs as well, we have this nice banner and this title, which detects page title automatically. Alright, so after that, we are showing this blogs here. So this is simple loop grid, and as you know, I showed you before, you have to select the post here and this blog post grid template here. And it will start to present these blogs nice way. But as I told you, you cannot edit or create the blogs in here. This blogs page is just a presentation of all the blogs. People can just click on the blog to read the whole blog, okay? But of course, I'll show you how to create blogs. Alright, so in this page, we don't have so many sections. So that's it for the blog section. Now let's go back to dashboard again. After we have this cart page. So let's open it. So this is our cart page. only thing is functional here, which is this cart. So currently, let's see how our cart page is looking like. So we don't have any products into our cart, but we can click on this cart option to go to the cart page. So there is no product in the cart, so this is looking like this. But if we add some product into our cart, for example this, and now go to the cart page, this is our cart page, right? So here, let's refresh this, the whole page. And now you will be able to see the product in the cart and customize it fully, okay? So everything is customizable here. And first in the content, we can choose the layout like 1 column or 2 column. Then we have this order summary. You can change the text here, which is this. Then in the coupon, you can change the text here, which is this. So basically every content's here, okay? So make sure you discover everything and check everything out. Then if we go to style tab, we have so many options here. We have customization option for everything. For example, you want to change the border width or border thickness of here, okay? So we can use this border and increase it to 2. And the border width will be increased. All right, so after that, we have this typography option. In here, you can change the typography for this text really easily. You can change the text color and everything. All right, so you can just discover everything in the style tab here. And if you want, you can customize it on your own, okay? Now let's go back to the dashboard. And then let's open this checkout page. And the checkout page is also similar to the cart page, which is auto-generated by Woocommerce plugin. So this is our checkout page. If you select this, the whole thing is the checkout plugin. You can change any setting. You can customize anything from here. In here, currently, this is looking like this, but once it's published and on the real website, it will be fixed, okay? And of course, you can change anything and customize anything from here. All right, now let's go back. Then for the WooCommerce, we have this My Account page. Let's open it and see what we have. So in the My Account page, we have basically this, which is by this My Account widget. And here we have this navigation links, right? So by clicking on them, it will change the content here. So of course, you can change this text. All are here. Like this is my dashboard. You can change it to only dashboard. And of course, you can change all of this text like this. Then also, if you go to the style tab, it has so many styling options. You can just customize it as you like. But since this is already nicely styled, I'm not gonna customize it more, okay? So let's go back to the WordPress, dashboard. And now we have one really important page left, which is shop page. And you can see on the shop page, there is no edit with Elementor button. We have shop page in our website. We show all the products in the shop, but these are not made inside the shop page. So to customize the shop page or add new things in the shop page, we have to go to the theme builder. So if you scroll down here, so here under this template, you'll find theme builder. In the theme builder, we have all the templates located. Like we have this header separately, we have this footer separately, and also our shop page separately. If we click on this products archive, we have this shop page here as a template, okay? So to open that, let's click on this edit. Now in the shop template, we can see our shop is here, okay? So here we can change anything, customize anything. Everything's perfect here, but one thing on the left side, we're supposed to have a nice filter area. In here, we should have so many options. So right now, this is not working. In our shop page, there is nothing here, right? So fix for this is really easy. Just have to go to the dashboard. Now scroll down, you will find this product filters. Click on it. Then you'll see nothing here. Now click on this import. And then click on import again. And from here, open the template kit you have just purchased and downloaded. So here I have just extracted this zip file and got this folder. Let's now go to this folder. And here you'll find so many things, so many folders, but just go to this Kitninja templates and select this product filter.json file and open this. And it'll import the product filter here, okay? Now let's go to our front-end website. And if we now go to the shop page, and now we are having this amazing product filter area. In here we have the search. Then we can filter the products by price. Like if I select, customer just have to move the slider and select any price range like this. Then they just have to scroll down and click on the search. And products with this range will show up here. Alright, after that they have filter by category. They can select any categories like this. Then we have filter by tags. They can select any tags like this and then click on the search. And only the product related to this filter will be shown here. Okay, so this is a really important option for an e-commerce shop. Alright, so our shop page is looking perfect now. But also if you want, you can customize anything from here. From here, if you like to change any text size, any text color, you just have to click on this edit template. Then you can just select this title. You cannot see the title here, but you can customize this title. Like select this heading, and if you change any style, any text size, any text color, these title will be changed. Okay. Alright, so now let's go back. Alright, so now let's learn how to create blog post for our website. So for that, we have to go to the post option here. And you can see we already have so many posts here, but now I'm going to show you how to create one. Just click on this add new post. And on here, we have to type our post title. So let's add mine. Okay. So after putting the title, we have this area. So in this area, you can type for anything, or if you click on this block, you can add literally anything. Okay. Like you can add paragraph, heading, quote, even code, then images, gallery, video, file, audio, everything. Okay. But here I'm going to actually paste my own content. So first here, before that, I'm going to add a simple image. So let's click on this plus again, and we can drag an image here. And let's upload an image. You can just upload it or select media and just select any of them from here. And after that, let's say I have some paragraph written and I paste it here. All right, so now let's save it or publish this. Then switch to this post, and here we can set featured image for this post or thumbnail of this post. So let's click here and select this one maybe. And this is now our thumbnail of this blog post. Now scroll down, we have this categories, we have this tags. You can choose any categories from here related to this product, and also categories like we can create new like this. All right, now let's save the post. Now if we go to our front-end website and go to our blogs, you see this new post I have created has been added. If you click on this, it will take you to that single blog page where you can read all of the things I have put here. Okay, all the contents. But I'll show you how to customize these things. Like here we have this image widget, here we have this recent post widget, then these nice images, how to add those, right? And also these icons like social media icons, then previous post, then leave a replay area, all of these. Okay, so for that we have to go to the dashboard, and under the templates, click on this theme builder. And if you go to the single post option here, you'll find this template. Just click on edit, and it will be opened on Elementor page builder. So as you can see, this thing is the same thing we are seeing on our single post, right? The same thing. But here in the Elementor page builder, you can edit everything, literally everything. You can select any text, you can select any widgets. So this widget is called posts. If you add the post widget, which is in here, you have to just search posts. If you just add this post anywhere, you'll have something like this. Okay, and obviously you have to customize this to make it look good. But currently this is looking good, so I'm not just customizing. After that, we have this widget. I think this widget is gallery. Yes. So you can add the gallery and customize everything from here. You can add more space between the items. You can increase the columns, like if I make it 4. You can change the layout from here. Instead of the grid, if you select justify, it will be something like this, right? So you can just play around with these customizations. And of course, we have the social icons. Within here, within these social icons, you can put your own social media links. Okay, Right, so this is it. And also this widget is called post comments. So you don't have to do any coding or functionality. It's all automatic. Everything is automatic. You just have to drag this post comments and customize this style of this post comment if you want. And it will automatically have this functional thing. If anyone like types amazing blog and post comment, you'll see this comment will be added here. But user must have to log in on your website in order to post or replay, obviously, right? Right, so let's now go back to the dashboard. So this is how you make blogs and blog posts and show them nicely on your page, okay? And with this template, you don't have to do anything. Everything is automatic. You can just customize if you want, okay? All right, now let's go back here and go to our pages. All right, now that we have reviewed every pages and saw how to customize everything, now let's go ahead and make our menus for our website. Like, menus are super important to navigate through whole website, right? So let's see how to make that and customize that. Let's go to the dashboard. Then if you scroll down under the appearance, you'll find the menus. So in the menus, you can see already some menu is created. Like we have home, about, coming soon, cart and blogs. And here you can see the same thing, home, about us, coming soon, cart and blogs, right? And this menu is for header only. But if we scroll down a little bit and under this option, if you select this footer about menu and select, it will just load different menus like just arrived, customization, and you can see these menus. If you scroll down to the footer, you can see these are here, right? So this one is for footers about. And then we have more like footer menu here. Select. We can see this menu, contact and about us, which is here, contact and about us. And same for the shop here. We have the shop under this option, footer shop menu, okay? So now let's switch to the desktop menu and see how to customize that. So for example, you want to edit the page name here. You have to open this. Then on the navigation label, you have to just edit the text. Let's say I make this only about. Then after editing this, just click on this save menu. And here let's refresh and see. And you see the menu has been changed. Alright, so this is simple customization, but I'm gonna show you how to create links from scratch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this desktop menu. Just click on this delete menu and the whole menu will be deleted and will be switched back to this random option here. But now I'm gonna click on this create a new menu. And let's rename this. You can rename this anything like header menu or desktop menu. So I'm gonna actually make it desktop menu, okay? And from here, from this display location, select this header. Then click on this create menu. And the desktop menu has been created, but in here we have to add links now. So if we go to the left part here and click on this view all, we can see all the pages we have created in the pages. We have home, about, blogs, cart, every pages we have, okay? So from here, I'm gonna select it one by one, home, about us, blog, and then let's select contact us and then shop. And I want this my account. Okay, so I'm not selecting the cart or wish list because we already have the button for cart and wish list, right? So I need these. Okay, so after selecting, just click on this add to menu. And this page's links will be added here. And from here, you can just reorder the links, like you just have to drag and drop and you can reorder or replace any links like this. So after home, I want the shop. Then after shop, I want to add about us. Then let's keep the blogs here. And I'm gonna just keep the blogs, contact us, and my account in this order, okay? And these options are already linked to the original pages, like home page has a link to the home page, shop page has a link to the shop page, so you don't have to put any link on these links, okay? So I'm just gonna click save menu. Right, my menu has been changed. Right, now let's go here and see. And here all the new links has been added. And now navigating through our website will be really easy. People can go to the shop page directly from here. Then also they can go to my account page and manage their account. before they had to click on this login or sign up in order to go to my account page. Now they can click on this link, my account, and they can come here, okay? So it's more convenient. Alright, so now we know how to create menus or customize the menus. Now I'll show you how to make a logo like this online for free. So all you gotta do is go to Google and search logo maker. You'll find this link. This spelling is like logo, M-A-K-R. Just go here and then click on this start my design. Alright, so it's loaded here. So this is our logo we have just created for free. And this is so identical. It's almost like the original logo, right? So it's looking really good. Alright, so now we know how to create logo. Now I'll show you how to change your favicon. So favicon is basically the icon that appears with tab title on every website like this, right? Every professional website has favicon. So I'm going to show you how to add a favicon on the browsers tab for our website, okay? So let's go back to the dashboard. And here, scroll down. Under this appearance, go to customize. Then in here, click on the site identity. Then we have the site icon. Click on select site icon. And it will open the media library. So from here, we can select any favicon. If you already have any favicon, you can just upload it and select it. So for example, I select this because this image is a small image, and click select. Then click on this skip cropping, and our favicon is uploaded instantly. Alright, so from here, just click on this publish. And on our website now, on every pages, this favicon is nicely appearing. Alright, so we have completed our amazing clothing and fashion shop website design. Now go ahead and create your own clothing and fashion shop website. I wish you all the best. I have just one request. Please comment down below about the learning experience from this video. Also, please share this video on social media. It would mean world to me. I'll see you in the next video. For now, goodbye.